How to know whether you should reconcile with your partner after infidelity or if it's time to move on. Finding out that your partner has cheated on you can be a devastating experience that can leave you feeling confused, hurt, and questioning the future of your relationship. It's natural to want to know whether you should try to get your partner back after discovering their infidelity or whether it's time to move on. Here are 10 factors to consider when trying to determine if you need your partner back after they cheated on you. Number 1. Evaluate your feelings. Take the time to evaluate how you're feeling about the situation. Are you hurt, angry, sad, or confused? Knowing your emotions will help you understand what you want from the relationship moving forward. Take the time to acknowledge your feelings and process them in a healthy way. It's essential to be patient with yourself as healing from this experience can take time. Number 2. Take a break. Take some time away from your partner to clear your head and get a better perspective on the situation. This will allow you to evaluate what you truly want from the relationship. If you find that you still have feelings for your partner and are willing to forgive them, then it may be worth considering giving the relationship another chance. However, it's important to approach this decision with an open and clear mind and to be fully committed to moving forward together. Number 3. Communicate with your partner. When you're ready, have an open and an honest conversation with your partner. Discuss what happened, how you feel, and what you need from them moving forward. Listen to what your partner has to say and try to understand their perspective. Engaging in open and honest communication can aid in making sense of situations, allowing you to make decisions with greater confidence and understanding. Number 4. Assess your partner's willingness to work on the relationship. The willingness of your partner to put in the work to rebuild trust and strengthen the relationship is crucial. If they are not willing to put in the effort to rebuild trust and repair the relationship, it may not be worth trying to get back together. Remember that a healthy relationship requires effort and dedication from both parties and that you deserve a partner who is willing to work towards a brighter future with you. Number 5. Consider the reasons for infidelity. Understanding why your partner cheated can help you decide whether you want to try and work things out. Was it a one-time mistake, or has this happened before? Is there something missing in your relationship that your partner was seeking elsewhere? If you have identified the underlying reasons for your partner's infidelity and believe they can be resolved through open communication, mutual understanding, and support, then it may be possible to work through the issues and move forward together as a stronger, more resilient couple. Number 6. Consider your values and boundaries in a relationship. Is cheating a deal breaker for you? Is there a specific behavior that you find unacceptable? Knowing your values and boundaries can help you determine whether you want to try and work things out. Number 7. Think about the future. It's important to consider your long-term desires when deciding whether to give your partner a second chance after infidelity. Ask yourself if you can envision a future in which you are truly happy and fulfilled in the relationship. Consider whether there are shared goals and plans that can only be achieved if you are together. By taking a broader perspective, you can better evaluate whether attempting to reconcile is truly the best decision for your future happiness and well-being. Number 8. Children's mental health and future prospects. When contemplating reconciliation with a partner who has been unfaithful, it's understandable to have concerns about how a separation might affect your children's mental health and future prospects. While providing a healthy and stable home environment is undoubtedly crucial for your children's well-being, it's also important to ensure that your own needs and desires are being fully considered. Talk to trusted friends and family members to get an outside perspective on the situation. They may have insights or advice that you haven't considered. Number 9. Consider therapy. Consider individual or couples therapy to work through your feelings and gain a better understanding of the situation. A therapist can help you navigate the complexities of the relationship and help you make an informed decision. Number 10. Be honest with yourself and trust your instincts. Be honest with yourself about your feelings, wants, and needs. If you decide to try and work things out with your partner, make sure you're doing it for the right reasons and not out of fear of being alone or a desire to keep up appearances. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Deciding whether to give your partner a second chance after they have cheated on you can be a challenging and emotional process. If you do choose to try and rekindle the relationship, it's essential to have truly forgiven your partner for their past infidelity and to have closed that chapter completely. Avoid bringing up the past as you move forward together and focus instead on building a brighter future. Only make the decision to work things out if you're truly committed to giving your all to the relationship and are confident that you're both on the same page. It's important to approach the decision of giving your relationship a second chance with an open heart and mind. With effort, honesty, and a genuine desire to move forward, you can build a stronger and more resilient relationship that can weather any storm. Remember, no one is perfect, so decide wisely. Good luck! If you want to discover more about yourself, please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon.